first ride in the Zl1. If you guys don't know, my guy Rush just got that trans soon, man. Got 3 people in the car. You finna see how this car moving. You feel me? This is gonna be your first drive, right, Russ?
Nah, literally first drive.
First drive, man, with the trans tune. I drove it back on the way home. I didn't really go to Augusta. I didn't want nothing happen to his car, nothing, you know. If it was my shit, I would've been. Sound. If it was my shit, I'd been blowing the mook off. But we finna go ahead and get y'all a crazy ass drive right now.
Yeah, guys. And we got my boy right here in the back.
Coyote Mars.
So we'll be hitting these pools with 3 people. Hella way, guys. So we're gonna see how this Zl1
for 2 like that with 3 people.
Yeah, that was pretty crazy.
Stay tuned.
We did 1 pool. I had to turn around. Like, we gotta make a fucking video about this for sure. Y'all. Before we get started though, man, make sure y'all leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's time to get crazy and enjoy the rest of the video.
Sorry, got my boy Chris, War.
Damn, sticky ass tires.
Hell, man, sheesh. Got them sticky Mickeys, huh? They just hit it, bro.
Oh, shit.
They just hit it, Russ.
Oh,
That's some well right there.
Hey, man, I think we're gonna have to do 60 rolls only, man.
Sure.
Man, my shit got my head plenty back.
So what do y'all think the trans tune made a difference?
Yeah, that shit made a big difference for sure, Jack.
That trans tune made a big difference, man. That's for sure.
I want to see this motherfucker run now.
No, that's one thing I can't wait to see about like the drag and stuff like that. I'm talking from like off the line, I could definitely tell it worked, but like this is like literally like my first time like driving it damn near.
Yeah, man. Feel like you got a fucking ported blower now or something.
Yo, man,
that shit got way crazier.
I can't imagine meth and stuff like that.
Yeah, man.
Bro.
We for sure. If y'all need a trans tune in y'all car, 100% recommend it. Worth the money.
No, for real, man. I can honestly say.
We gonna give you guys some more pulls, so y'all already know what's going on.
This was like literally like 1,000. I'm gonna hit it off the light right here.
Make sure you hold that steering wheel, man.
For real, that's
I don't know why this nigga Russ would have sell the car, man. I'm telling y'all, man. We talk the right price, man. I might just take that Z out of his hands. Keep it honey with you, man. This motherfucker's crazy.
Man, this shit got my adrenaline jumping.
Man, nigga. Whooping.
Man, shaking and everything.
Yeah.
Can't even hook, bro. That shit crazy.
Bro, like literally.
We gotta keep reminding y'all, man. We got 3 people in this car right now.
3 people.
This motherfucker's still moving like this. To the seat.
That's the 3 people, bro.
That shit is wild.
I like it with everybody's in the car. They gotta go get gas. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro.
Whoa, hold on. I don't know if y'all seen where it was at earlier, man, but sheesh.
That's what I was driving.
That motherfucker dropped down quick. It was at the fucking half-hash mark.
That's what I'm saying.
God damn.
His car was moving.
His car do hit, but after that, I'm not gonna lie, man. After that trans tune, this motherfucker hit hard,
I gotta drive his car. I gotta drive his car to see Jack.
His car.
It might be because it's hella loud too.
Yeah, I think that has something to do with it too, because his car is low-key quiet, but you can feel his car like jank you back.
Nah, but you can still feel it, bro. That shit ain't nothing to play with.
No, but not that. From
That
me,
shit move, bro.
it's way faster, bro. For what?
Yeah, bro. I can tell you that right now.
Nah, facts, man. Facts, Jack. But man, that was pretty much like the first like real drive, bro. Like the shit was wild, man. Like,
You wanna go ahead and tell them what was done to the car, man?
In
case they haven't seen the channel yet, just
haven't seen Jack.
Yeah,
So
we can go ahead and break it down for them.
How much, man? First, I'm finna take y'all over to the hood, but pretty much, as you guys know, man, the car is heads and cams.
He wants to run it, so
Yeah, now I feel a little bit, man. The last GT500, Jack, literally, man, have had the comments like literally like down to me and everything. So since I got the trans tune was like $400. No, like $500. Then to get a retune was $400. So that's really $1,000. I better have y'all smiling when y'all rode the car, bro. Like for real, bro. It was $1,000, bro. So it makes me feel happy that
It was well worth it.
No, for sure. It makes me feel happy that other people get to notice the difference too, because I can feel this shit, but it was like you especially, because you picked the car, drove the car, and everything like that. So, but nah, man, just pretty much. That's pretty much it, man. Heads, cams. Bolt on Z, that's up for sale.
Want to come take it, man? Show them an offer.